Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA G650. I want to show you how to align the printer from computer. First of all, you need to connect the printer and your laptop together via wireless network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected both via wireless network and also using Canon Print app. From Canon Print app, you need to select printer image. Once you select printer image and select printer properties, then select maintenance and preferences, select on it. Then it will give you option for you to do cleaning, deep cleaning, print head alignment, nozzle check, select print head alignment, then select start. Select OK. So it's now printing alignment. This is the first page. It's going to print the second page. This is the alignment page printed out. So this is how to align the printer from the PC. Thank you very much indeed.